This is after using RBJTech's method for the X-clamp replacement. Now I'm going to leave it like this, of course, but what you do is you take the X-clamps out and replace it with screws that flatten the motherboard back out next time it heats up. This is probably the 8th or 9th boot up after the X-clamp replacement. Dang. It was 3 redlining. Everything seems to be working in order, and it heats up and cools off normally. Yeah. So that's what happens whenever you actually do it. That's my video on the X-clamp replacement.